While we're waiting for this sensitizer to sensitize, like I say, it takes about an hour, let's talk a little bit about your scoop coaters or coating troughs. Depends on where you are in the world. Everywhere else on Earth, besides the US, they're coating troughs. Here in the US, they're scoop coaters. Nice thing about this particular scoop coater is it comes with a cover, which is very handy because it protects the blades. Notice I said blades. Believe it or not, it has a dull edge and a sharp edge. They do have a purpose. Typically in the US and Europe, we use the dull edge because the dull edge puts more emulsion on the screen quickly. The sharp edge is used as known as scrape coat, and that's usually used to put a little bit of emulsion on the print side once the emulsion has totally dried to come back so you get a lower, what was known as an RZ. Smoother surface you got, the better print quality you got. But in most instances, a dull edge is what you want because, let's face it, you're a production shop. You want something done quickly. Why take all day coating screens with a sharp edge when you can do it in half the time with a dull edge? That's why everyone uses dull edges. These scoop coaters, they're very inexpensive, but they are needed. The moment you get a scoop coater and it has a little nick in it, know what you do with it? You don't sand it off. That won't do any good because if you sand that edge, you're going to get a rough area. Or, worse yet, you're going to have a little dip there and you're going to put more emulsion in that one spot all the way across your screen. Best thing is, when you get a little dent here or scrape here, these make wonderful door stops, because that's about all they're good for at that point. Luckily, they don't cost a lot, but they do cost money. Take care of them. They'll last a long time. This particular scoop coater I've had for 15 years. It's in great shape. There are other scoop coaters on the market, some that actually have a little bit of an arc to them, designed for mesh that are real sloppy. They're not real tight. No one uses those anymore. These are more common. That's about it for your scoop coaters.